Hey guys, welcome to my video. In this video we will going to see what's in my nail art bag. So let's get started. So let's first open the bag. First open this compartment and let's see one by one what's there inside it. So first item is buffer. We need buffer to smooth out our nail plates. Second item is pencil wax to stick the rhinestones, butterflies, caviar bead, etc. Third item is cuticle cutter. With the help of this, we cut our cuticles. Then comes butterflies. It is used to decorate our nails. Then nail brush. We use nail brush to dust any dust which is left on our nails. So next item is caviar beads. Caviar beads are usually need to decorate our nails. Then nail filer. With the help of this nail filer, we shape our nails. Then this is another nail filer which is used for short nails, to shape up the short nails. I think we finished this compartment. Let's move to the next compartment. First, this is the toothpick. It is used for dotting purpose. Next item is glitter. Next is another star glitter. This is flower glitter. I use these glitters in many of my videos. You can check my videos on my channel. This is the glitter, guys. Next item is rhinestones. These are the rhinestones. Next one is nail paint. This is the cuticle oil. Next item is nail brush. Next item is top coat. Whatever decoration we have done, to seal it we use top coat. Next item is nail dehydrator, to remove the oil from our nail plates. Next item is the nail paint. This is the normal nail paint. Another nail paint. This is the nail remover wipes. This is another small nail paint. Another one. This is another heart shape glitter. This is another glitter. So yeah, we finished all the things from the bag. So I hope you like this video. If you do, then please share and subscribe. Also comment below, and I will see you in my next video.